Josh and I were out in the garden working, getting stuff planted and watered today on this beautiful Friday afternoon. And we walked out, we looked over towards the house and we saw all of these bugs flying around in the sky. And it looks like we've got a bee swarm. Looking out to see if any of the neighbors have a swarm box ready. Pretty big swarm here on the ground. Where are they at? There they are. Look at them. It's a pretty amazing thing to be standing in the middle of this this noise, this sound. You guys have a good weekend.